not for free water, reversal of IRAS building tariff.
ನಮಗೆ ತಾರೀಫ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 4 ಫ್ಲೋರ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು 5 ಫ್ಲೋರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
2013ರಿಂದ ಈ ಹೋರಾಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟವರೆಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಏನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
After such a long time, it's really getting frustrated.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೂ.
Now we are approaching Chairman BWSSB.
No turning back. Fight continues. I am Muralidharan, residing in this BDA flats, Kalahalli, for the past 20 years. This BDA flats is located near the Alsur Lake, next to MEG Gate. And this has been promoted by BDA in 1985 and 1989 in 2 phases. There are about 304 flats. And these flats get water supply from common sumps and common meter. There are B-type flats, about 8 blocks consisting of 4 floors, and C-type flats consisting of 3 floors. These BDA flats, how we get water is through a common sump, and from there it is pumped to the individual flats by pipeline, and we get average 500 liters per day. And in second phase, we have overhead tank. In the first phase, we don't have the facility. Our residents have always been protective in nature. Up to 2012, when we could not get the water supply regularly, there was a program held for Road Roko. That has resulted in giving us regular water supply from 2012. Till 2013, we have been getting under table rates. From 2013, Water Board has raised the tariff under the guise of IRAS building. Let me explain one more thing between the table rates and the IRAS building rates. Supposing you consume about 15,000 liters per month, under table rates we are paying 133 rupees. Under the flat rate, that is under the IRAS building, we have to pay 330 rupees. This we have been resisting and protesting, and this huge rise in the scheme only because of the IRAS building definition, which they are misinterpreted. Our contention is we are not covered by the IRAS building because we have only 4 floors, and the IRAS building requires more than 4 floors.
ಸರ್, ನಮ್ದು ಇರೋದು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಫ್ಲೋರ್ಸು. ನಮ್ಮದು ಟ್ಯಾರಿಫ್ ರೇಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಂದರೆ 2013ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಮದು 4 ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದೆ, ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಅರೇಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಇವತ್ತುವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು 2021 ಅಜಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನೂ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಬಿ.
ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ನಮಗೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು. ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಕಾವೇರಿ ಭವನ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ನಾವು ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಎನಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಸರ್.
For the past 8 years we are fighting for this issue, but nobody is considering our request. Nearly 300 families are affected in this one.
We are requesting you to provide a separate meter and solve the problem at an early date.
Because of the difference, we have been paying only legally what we are liable to pay, that is under the table rates. But whereas BWSB is charging on the IRAS building rates, the difference comes to up to date around 40 lakhs. That 40 lakhs is being charged on interest. That interest they charge on compound manner, and which is not acceptable to us. It is to be on the simple interest, and once this tariff revision is made to the table rates, there will be no arrears, no interest. There is discrimination in application of the tariff. Austin Town, Domlur, they are also having BDA promoted and developed apartments. There also, there are only 4 floors. Those consumers, they are given individual meters and they are charged under table rates only. But for us, in our case, for the same 4 floors, they are charging this IRAS building rate.
How they are ignoring this issue and putting pressure on us, putting extra interest burden. We have decided to go to the public to bring this issue into the daylight so that people know how we are facing this unreasonable inequality.
This issue has been dragging for the past 8 years, and now the building has come up to 1 crore. They have been talking and no decision has come so far. Initially we have been sending them representations countering and objecting to this high-rise building rate. Then we filed RTA applications around 50, and not being satisfied with that, we filed an appeal before the executive engineer. Then that executive engineer was supposed to pass an order which he failed to do. After that, since having failed in these 2 attempts, then we filed a writ petition in the High Court requesting the court to direct the officials to consider our representations. Accordingly, that order was passed. For that writ petition also, whatever speaking order they have passed, it was not sufficient, it was untenable. Hence, we had no other option but to proceed further. We did mass memorandum to the executive engineer, and he took us to the Kaveri Bhavan for discussion with the higher officials. That discussion started around 2020, and till date some 4-5 rounds of discussions have taken place. There has been some benefit. They have given something. They have reduced the interest rate to some extent. On this high-rise building issue, we have done mass memorandums. We have spoken to the officials. Now we are embarking into going to the public, exposing the BWSB's failures in negotiating and not solving our issues. The thing started with a booklet that in the name of breaking the ice. That booklet we have distributed to all the officials, staff members, public. This program will continue till the issue is settled. If required, on door-to-door basis, we will cover the entire Indiranagar subdivision and expose to the people what these people have done mistakes. Until our core issue is solved, our fight will continue with BWSSB.